Jai Hind children, hope you all are good. In this video, we discuss about our new chapter of class 7 science, that is motion and time. Now let's start. First, motion. What is motion? Motion is the change in position of an object with time. There are different types of motion. These are motion along a straight line, which we call rectilinear motion. For example, motion of a car on a straight road. Second one is periodic motion, example, motion of a pendulum. Third one is circular motion, example, motion of the earth around the sun. Now, what is speed? The distance covered by an object in a unit time is called the speed of the object. Example, if a car covers a distance of 100 kilometers in 1 hour and a bus covers a distance of 50 kilometers in 1 hour, then the speed of the car is more than the speed of the bus. Since the speed of most objects are not constant, the speed is the average speed. So how we can calculate the speed? Speed is equal to total distance covered by an object upon the time taken. There are two types of motion. First one is uniform motion. If the speed of an object is constant, it is in uniform motion. Second one is non-uniform motion. If the speed of an object keeps changing, then the object is said to be in the non-uniform motion. Now, measurement of time, that how we can measure it. Time is measured by using clocks or watches. Clocks and watches make use of periodic motion. Some are in the figure shown. Now, simple pendulum. A simple pendulum has a small metallic bob suspended from a stand by a thread. If the bob is taken to one side and released, it moves to and fro. The to and fro motion of the simple pendulum is called periodic motion or oscillatory motion. And what are oscillations? When the bob moves from the mean position O to A and to B and back to O, it is called one oscillation. When the bob moves from one extreme position A to the other extreme position B and back to A, it is called one oscillation. Then what is time period? The time taken by the pendulum to complete one oscillation is called its time period. Now, how we can use the units of time and speeds? The basic unit of time is second. The larger units of time are minutes, hours, etc. The basic unit of speed is meter per second, and a larger unit of speed is kilometer per hour. In ancient time, the measuring devices are sundials, water clocks, and sand clocks. These are some pictures of sundial, water clock, sand clock. Now, how we can measure speed? For example, the speed of an object can be measured if we know the distance covered by the object and the time taken. Example, if a car covers a distance of 100 kilometers in 2 hours, then the speed of the car is as calculated. Distance covered equal to 100 kilometer, time taken 2 hours, so speed is equal to distance upon time. Then we have the speed of 50 km per hour. If we know the speed of the car and the time, we can find the distance covered by it. Sorry. Distance is equal to speed up into time. If we know distance covered by the car and the speed, we can find the time taken. So time is equal to distance upon speed. Now, what is a speedometer? Speedometer is a device which measures the speed of vehicles in kilometer per hour. And odometer is a device which measures the distance covered by a vehicle. Distance time graph is shown as. Thank you for listening us. Have a good day.